decadent chocolate lava cake. 3 simple ingredients, 1 unforgettable dessert. Let me show you how easy this really is. Here's all you need. Number 1, 3 ounces of semi-sweet baking chocolate. Number 2, a quarter cup of salted butter. And number 3, 1 whole egg plus 1 extra egg yolk. That's it. That's the entire shopping list. Let's talk about the star of the show, the chocolate. You want semi-sweet baking chocolate, ideally 60 to 70% cacao. This gives you the deepest, richest flavor. One important note, don't use chocolate chips. They contain stabilizers that prevent that silky, smooth melt we're going for. Before we start, grab a couple of things. 2 6-ounce ramekins, or you can use a muffin tin, a microwave-safe bowl, a whisk, some cocoa powder for dusting, and a little extra butter for greasing. Nothing fancy. Step 1. Combine your chocolate and butter in that microwave-safe bowl. Heat it in 20-second intervals, stirring after each one, until everything is completely melted and silky smooth. If you prefer more control, you can use a double boiler instead. Either way, let the mixture cool for about 2 minutes before moving on. Step 2. Add your whole egg and egg yolk into the slightly cooled chocolate mixture. Now whisk vigorously until everything is fully combined and glossy. The eggs are doing double duty here. They give the cake its rise on the outside and create that custard-like molten center on the inside. Don't overmix. You want it incorporated, not aerated. Step 3. Prep your ramekins. Generously butter the inside of each one, then dust with cocoa powder and tap out the excess. This double coating is essential. It prevents sticking, makes the cake release perfectly, and adds an extra layer of chocolate flavor. Step 4. Divide the batter evenly between your prepared ramekins. Place them on a baking sheet and slide them into a preheated 425-degree oven. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes. You're looking for edges that are firm and set, but a center that still has a slight jiggle. That jiggle, that's your molten core. Here's the thing about timing, it's everything. Underbake by a minute, and the cake won't hold its shape when you flip it. Overbake by a minute, and you lose the lava entirely. Every oven is a little different, so your first batch is your calibration. Watch for firm edges, jiggly center. That's your sweet spot. Now for the best part, serving. A scoop of vanilla ice cream is the classic move, cold against hot. Fresh raspberries add tartness that cuts through the richness. A dollop of whipped cream gives it lightness. 1 pinch of sea salt flake amplifies every chocolate note. And a light dusting of powdered sugar right before you serve makes it look like it came from a 5-star kitchen. Fill your ramekins and refrigerate them for up to 24 hours. Just add a minute or 2 to your bake time. When it's done, let it rest for 30 seconds. Run a knife around the edge, then confidently flip it onto a plate. Use room temperature eggs for the smoothest batter. And never skip the cocoa dust. It's what makes the release clean and beautiful. 3 ingredients, 15 minutes,